Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer videos from one Mac computer to another Mac computer using AirDrop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two Mac computers. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are using a MacBook Pro as well as a MacBook Air, and we need access to AirDrop. Please turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth on both machines in order to establish the connection for the AirDrop. If these are not available at the time or not turned on, you will not be able to transfer videos across both machines using AirDrop. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in order to use the AirDrop. So we're going to turn the attention to the Mac computer. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to where the videos are so we can get ready for a transfer across both machines using AirDrop. Let's now focus on the desktop, create a folder, right click new folder, call this videos, go all the way down to the dock, again go to Finder, take the videos, highlight, right click, copy to items. Let's now minimize Finder, open up the new folder that we just created called videos, increase the size of the window, and now we can right click and paste two items. This may take some time depending on the length of the videos. However, as you can see, it did not take that much time as the videos are very short. Let's just highlight a video, right click and get information, 31 MB. For the first video and the second video, highlight, get information, 561 KB. And so we can now quit Finder or go to favorites within the same Finder window, go to AirDrop, and the MacBook Air should pop up on screen, and there we have it. We are now ready to make the transfer. Let's now take the folder called videos with two items in there, drag and drop onto the MacBook Air, and there we should see that pop up on screen on the MacBook Air. Let's turn the attention to the MacBook Air. Let's click on accept, and the videos should now have transferred to the MacBook Air within the downloads folder, and there we have it on screen, videos 2. Let's click on the folder itself, and there the videos are. We can open the folder and the video or videos depending on how much you have, and they will all play on screen. So we can now quit Finder. Let's turn the attention to the MacBook Pro. And so that's how you transfer videos from one Mac computer to another using AirDrop. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have to be turned on. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.